Hello everyone. I thought I'd do a short meditation today on being in the present moment. It is a hectic time of year and there are a lot of last minute tasks to complete before the holidays. And it seems like the stress just keeps getting ratcheted up. So I thought it would be helpful to do a meditation on how to be present and to help our minds to relax a little bit. So we're going to start with some deep breaths. We're going to breathe through our nose. Maybe we'll do 5. So breathing is one of the best ways to anchor yourself in the present moment. Actually, focusing on anything physical is good. So when you breathe, you can focus on physical sensations like the rising and falling of your belly, or just the sensations of the breath going through your nose. And I usually like to start my meditations with breathing, sets of 10 breaths. It's also good for your concentration. So our minds will want to take our attention away from the present moment. They tend to our minds want us to focus on the most pressing issue, it seems. Whether that be writing an email or some task that you need to do today. Focusing on your breathing will help you to break away from that thought process and remain present. There are other things you can focus on as well. Actually, any of the senses are helpful for being present, such as the way it feels to be sitting here, the feeling of our feet touching the floor, the feeling of our hands sitting on our knees. You can go into as much detail as you want with that. Anything to keep you grounded in the present moment. Each time you find yourself lost in a thought, what you need to be doing, or what this person said to you that upset you yesterday, anything, you return to the present moment by focusing on your breathing or other physical sensations. If you're outside, maybe you can hear birds singing or cars passing by. That's helpful. As long as you're not trying to analyze. And what you'll find is when you keep returning to the breath over and over again, you'll find a release point where all of a sudden you just feel better. You feel better because you're letting go of stress. You're letting go of worry. All of those tasks, those emails, they're going to be there. They're always going to be there. They'll keep coming. Keep returning to your breathing. And enjoy the present moment. All right, thank you for being here with me today, everyone. I hope this helped you to let go of some of the stress and to just focus on what your body needs right now, which is to be present. Have a great day.